Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable caller and spam ID on Android. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the phone application. This is the app you use to make calls. Step 2. Next, locate the 3 vertical dots at the top there. Tap on those. Step 3. Now locate the settings option. Tap on it. Step 4. Next, locate the caller ID and spam option. Tap on it. Step 5. Now locate the See Caller and Spam ID option. Unfortunately, this is turned off. Step 6. For the last and most important step, tap on the See Caller and Spam ID option to turn it on. Or, do you want to turn the option off again? Tapping the See Caller and Spam ID option one more time will turn it off instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.